Hi guys, I'm Qasim. Today we're making keema, means mince. So this is onion, 3 onions, and the 2 tomatoes and chili, garlic and ginger. And this is mince, 1 kilo mince, and this is cauliflower, Gobi. And this is all ingredients. And we also need oil. First we put half cup of oil. And then we put inside onions. And then we mixing. Can you please follow the recipe? It's very nice. So now we're adding zira, cumin seed, 1 tablespoon, 1 tablespoon salt, 1 tablespoon, 1.5 tablespoon of salt. Then mixing. We're gonna add spices later. So now look, onions brown. So look, now we put in ginger and garlic. And then we're mixing. Look, there's oil inside with this spoon. Still mixing. Look, color change. So this is mince now we're adding. Then we're mixing. Very nice cleanly washing. There's no blood inside. So now we're cooking until 5 minutes. After 5 minutes later, it's 10%. 30%. Now we put inside tomato and chili, then we're mixing. And then we're washing cauliflower, gobi, recipe keema, gobi, mint and cauliflower. And now we're adding chili powder, 1 tablespoon. Then we're adding Qasim the coriander powder, and this is 1.5 tablespoon of red chili powder. Then mixing. The tomatoes melted now. And now it's 40% done. Okay, oil coming out. Now I'm putting a bit more oil inside. So now gobi is washed. Now we're adding very beautiful wash, white and clean. And now we're adding inside. And we're mixing gently. So, okay, now we're cooking until 20 minutes. After 10 minutes later, it's 80% done. Okay, my own recipe, very beautiful, very tasty. So now too much more come out. Now it's 82% done. So now we little bit mixing, the oil come out. So now we're still mixing. I found no broken is nice. And now it's done. We put in plate. Wow, it's very delicious, very nice, very yummy. So like, subscribe, share with family, friends. Please eat this yummy food. That's gonna be about my cooking. Please comment to me about my cooking, how it tastes like. It is very nice. So guys, now we trying. So now this is Gobi trying. It's very nice. It's so delicious. Okay, bye guys. Bye.